guys, so today is January 1st and I actually spent about 30 minutes going through stuff. This is still a mess. I'm still giving you guys a heads up. It is still a mess, but I'm gonna try to work on it at least 10 to 30 minutes every single day. I told Graham I don't want to put anything in the storage room unless it has gone through. Okay, so right here, you guys, I'm gonna take you on a little stockpile tour. We have a little light, but what we did is we put all the Christmas stuff all the way back here, and then I totally plugged everything of our paper products, you guys. This is only Christmas paper products, and then my childhood toys are just like right here. But yeah, so this is everything, and then there's like a toy, there's a car in here, and then like a little play thing, but Charlotte won't get that until next Christmas when we dig all this stuff out. So I am going to try not to buy any paper products unless I get it absolutely free. That's it, okay? So this is all my paper products, you guys. All of my paper products, all right here. So that's one thing. So we did, I did clear off this area a little bit, just a little bit, but it's not much. We're still working. I gotta put my wreaths away, but we did get a lot of the couch cleared off. So, sorry Ben's crying upstairs because he's having a little fit. But that is it, you guys. So, I'm gonna continue showing you guys the rest of the basement. It is only January 1st, and let's keep cleaning. Hey everybody, so today is January 12th, I think, or the 13th, I can't remember, but what I wanted to kind of just show you guys is my progress of how the basement is going. I'm doing little by little. I don't want to get overwhelmed. Yesterday was a snowstorm. We were going to do it, but I'm just like, no, I don't want to do anything. So we didn't do anything. But today I kind of worked down here for a half an hour. So my goal is to at least work down here at least a half an hour to an hour once a week, because otherwise I get super bored and overwhelmed. So I'm just gonna kind of walk with you guys what I got done so far. It might not look like a lot, but we have gotten quite a few things done. So here's this area still hasn't changed. I've been removing stuff. This is actually empty. We're probably gonna either put this in Charlotte's room or get rid of it. But I just have stuff like this sitting on top of it, but it is empty, you guys. So we're getting that. We're starting to put stuff away from my stockpile. We're gonna start, just put everything away in the stockpile at once. But I mean, it's looking a lot better, you guys. Like, it's really starting to look a lot better. I gotta get rid of the stuff behind my desk, but I cleared and threw a bunch of garbage away. This area got cleared out. This is what I just got home, so we gotta put that away. This is all food I am donating, you guys. Like tomorrow or sometime this week, I am gonna donate more food. I actually want to find more food to donate, but that is all going away sometime this week. I want to get rid of these 2 boxes. That's my next step, and then I want to start putting more toys and stuff in here. So baby steps. Very naughty at this little girl, very naughty. This kitchen we're gonna try to put over here. I want to get the pack and play packed up, but this stuff, just getting rid of it. This room still looks the same. I kind of cleared up this area just a little bit. I've been selling stuff, you guys. Like, I've been going through stuff, and I sold like 6 different items just last week alone. I got a couple more things to sell, but I have been selling things. We're watching football, but I have been selling things like crazy. Yeah, so, and I'm getting there. I'm getting motivated. So, yeah. Haven't even touched this room at all. Like, we haven't touched it. I still got to go through this and get rid of a bunch of stuff, but getting there. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick update, and then I'll probably show you guys what it looks like at the end of the month, but we're getting there. We are getting there. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna kind of just show you guys my basement after the whole fiasco. I am not gonna be on camera because I have no makeup on. I just got out of the shower, put my hair in a ponytail, and today is just, let's wear pajama day. So, yeah. So, they took all the flooring off if you guys watched my last updated video. And then they also drilled holes in all the wall to to make sure that everything was dry. So the floor is now completely dry. Graham and I came down here and just put some stuff back, you know, display, because they're gonna have to move furniture around however they're gonna do it when they do the flooring. Graham says this might not get finished completely until a month, so we'll see. I want it done as soon as possible, but that might not happen, so we'll see on what happens. But I mean, everything's just in a pile, and I'm going through stuff and throwing stuff away and getting rid of stuff. A lot of you guys are saying, oh, you should have a garage sale. I've had sold stuff at the garage sale before, and none of my stuff hardly sold, and I just want it out of here. So if you guys notice, like, it's snow outside, it's super cold outside. I want to get rid of this stuff right away. It could be another 4 months before we have a nice day, and I don't want to have this stuff sitting around the house for 4 months. So this is everything. One thing is, we're gonna change this whole entire layout. This is garbage, we're throwing that away. But we are changing out the whole basement. I'm gonna have a new filming area. This used to be my filming area right here. That is going away. My filming area is gonna be in this corner right here. That corner right there where there's a mirror, we're putting a shelving unit there that is gonna have all my stockpile stuff in there, you guys. We bought some heavy duty totes, and they're kind of expensive, but you know what? This is going to help us so much more. We're going to get rid of the boxes, but we're going to have everything in that corner with a stockpile labeled, everything ready to go. Graham has this like little liquor display that is going on this wall. This little bookshelf is going to go right here. So then where this line is, that's where our couch kind of ends. So the kids will have this huge area for them to play, you know, with their toys and everything, which is fine with me. So we're gonna open up the basement a whole lot more. Everything's gonna be gone. So like everything that you guys see here that's in boxes is going bye-bye. Everything. So yeah, I threw a lot of stuff away already, but all the boxes are going away. And then eventually I'm gonna get some clear totes, and we are going to put everything in the storage room, which is a mess right now because we had to put all of our stockpile, we had to put everything in the storage rooms, but we're gonna do that in the future. And then here is underneath the stairs. Now you guys probably can't see this, but all this, I don't know how much got ruined, but I mean, we had paper towels and stuff all back behind there, and I don't know how much got ruined, but we'll dig it out later. I'm not gonna worry about it until later, but I'm pretty excited for things to happen. I'm actually happy that this kind of happened because, you know, it really got my butt in gear and motivated, which is what I wanted to do. So I will let you guys know for another update before the month ends, and yeah. Okay, you guys, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update for the basement, since today is the last day of January. We're still waiting for somebody to come over. They said they were gonna call us today. Still waiting. So right now we're just like, don't know what the heck is going on. But I'm just gonna show you guys the basement, and nothing changed since the last update, but just gonna share with you guys what has changed. But otherwise, like, nothing. Like, this is just basically the room. We did get some totes since my last update, so we are going to fill those totes with all my stockpile, and we're going to be putting them in that corner. We are waiting on a shelf, but we can't put any of this stuff really together until, you know, they do something with the basement. But like, you know, they did come, we had a plumber did come and fix the piping, so this won't happen again. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. You guys, I will still keep you updated with the video. But yeah, I mean, I don't even have a recording area. Like, this is my recording area, you guys, right here. Like, it's that bad. I just have to put this Christmas stuff away, but it's just that bad. Like, my recording area. I hate it. I want my old area back. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys a heads up, but I don't know. It's just crazy. I was gonna make this a whole year thing, and it ended up turning to be like a couple months, but I still have a lot of stuff to do, which I'm excited for. So I will see you guys all next month for an updated video. See you guys later. Bye-bye.